AI isn't just about making your life easier or generating fun images. It's a complete financial disruptor that is creating brand new, accessible ways for regular people like you and me to make money online right now. The opportunities are not in some distant, futuristic world, but are waiting to be seized today. The question is, are you ready to use them? In this video, I'm going to share 7 AI tools you can use right now to start generating income. Whether it's a quick side hustle or a full-blown online business, you can scale for the future. And don't worry, these aren't just for coders or tech gurus. These are accessible platforms that anyone can learn to use, unlocking doors to income streams you never thought possible. 1. The AI content writer. Ever felt like you have a great idea for a blog, a newsletter, or even an ebook, but the thought of writing thousands of words is just too overwhelming? The creative barrier to entry has officially been demolished. Tools like Jasper or WriteSonic are powerful AI writing assistants that can help you produce high-quality, long-form content in a fraction of the time. Here's a deeper look at how you can make real money with them. Freelance content creation. This is one of the most immediate ways to start earning. You can position yourself as a freelance writer on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Your unique selling point? You can deliver high-quality articles, blog posts, and website copy to clients at an incredible speed. While a traditional writer might take a full day to draft a 1,500-word blog post, you can use the AI to generate a solid first draft in under an hour. You can then use your own expertise to polish the content, allowing you to take on more clients and increase your hourly rate exponentially. Passive income ebooks. This is a fantastic opportunity for passive income. Use the AI to help you write and publish your own nonfiction ebooks on platforms like Amazon KDP. You can brainstorm topics, create chapter outlines, and even generate a significant portion of the content. While you must add your own knowledge and expertise to ensure the content is accurate and valuable, the AI dramatically speeds up the production process, allowing you to create and launch multiple books in a short amount of time, setting up a true passive income stream. The key here is to use the AI as a co-pilot, not as a replacement. It handles the heavy lifting of drafting, allowing you to focus on the human element, editing and ensuring the final product provides true value. 2. The AI image generator. If you have a creative eye, or even if you don't, AI image generators like Midjourney or DALL-E are revolutionary tools for generating income. These tools turn simple text prompts into stunning, unique, and professional-grade images. Here are a few powerful ways to turn these images into cash. Selling digital art and prints. The market for unique digital art is booming. You can create and sell unique art pieces on platforms like Etsy or Creative Fabrica. Artists are making thousands of dollars by selling prompt guides and bundles of images for commercial use. You can also partner with a print-on-demand service like Printful or Redbubble to sell your designs on t-shirts, mugs, and posters without holding any inventory. Selling niche stock photos. Think about the gaps in the traditional stock photo market. You can use AI to generate highly specific, niche-focused images that traditional libraries might not have. For example, a person using a futuristic AI tool in an ancient temple. You can then sell these images on platforms like Adobe Stock or Shutterstock, where they fill a unique market need. The demand for unique visuals is massive, and these tools allow you to create them at an incredible scale and speed. 3. The AI video generator. Creating professional-looking videos used to be a time-consuming and expensive process. Not anymore. Tools like Pictory or InVideo AI can transform a simple text script into a complete, ready-to-publish video with a voiceover, stock footage, and background music in a matter of minutes. This unlocks several powerful ways to make money. Building a faceless YouTube channel. This is a fantastic opportunity for passive income. You can build a highly profitable YouTube channel in a popular niche like finance or history without ever having to get in front of a camera. The AI handles the content creation, allowing you to focus on strategy and audience growth. You can monetize the channel through YouTube's partner program and affiliate marketing. Offering video creation services. Small businesses and content creators often need a lot of video content for social media, but lack the time or budget for a full production crew. You can offer video creation as a service, using the AI to produce professional videos for them at a fraction of the cost. You can charge per video or offer a monthly retainer, building a scalable freelance business that provides a consistent income. 4. The AI chatbot builder businesses today need to be available for their customers 24/7, and they are willing to pay for it. AI chatbot builders, like Chatbase, allow you to create a custom AI chatbot that is trained on a company's unique data. Here's the business model. You can build these custom chatbots and sell them as a service to small and medium-sized businesses. The bot can answer common customer questions and even help with sales inquiries, all without a human needing to be present. You can then charge a one-time setup fee and a recurring monthly retainer to maintain and update the chatbot. This creates a highly attractive, steady stream of recurring income for your business. 5. The AI-driven website builder. For years, building a professional website required either expensive developers or a steep learning curve. That's all changed. AI website builders, such as Divi AI or Durable.co, can create a custom, full-featured website for you based on a few simple prompts, and they'll even generate the content and images. Your opportunity is to start a freelance business designing websites for clients. You can build a stunning, professional site in a fraction of the time it would take manually, allowing you to take on more clients and increase your earnings. With the AI handling the design and a large portion of the content, you can focus on the client relationship and overall strategy. 6. The AI SEO and marketing assistant. Every online business, regardless of its size, needs to attract customers, and that's where AI marketing tools come in. Tools like Surfer SEO use AI to analyze the top-ranking content on Google and provide you with a data-driven blueprint for creating content that will rank high in search results. You can make money by offering SEO and content marketing services to businesses. You can use the AI to do the keyword research, generate a detailed content outline, and optimize the on-page elements. The AI provides a data-driven plan for success, and you get paid for delivering the results. You can charge per project or on a monthly basis to help businesses continuously improve their online visibility. 7. The AI translator and voice generator. The global online market is a massive opportunity, and language barriers are becoming a thing of the past. Tools like DeepL offer highly accurate translation, while 11 Labs can generate incredibly natural-sounding voiceovers in dozens of languages. This opens up a unique and powerful way to make money. Localization services. You can offer to localize content for businesses and creators. Imagine taking a successful ebook or online course and translating it into a different language with AI. Then use an AI voice generator to create an audiobook version. This allows you to tap into entirely new markets with a product that has already proven its value. Creating AI-powered channels. You can take your own successful video content and automatically dub it into multiple languages. You can then launch new YouTube channels for each country, creating multiple income streams from a single piece of content. This is a powerful way to scale your reach and monetize your content on a global scale with very little extra effort. So there you have it. 7 powerful AI tools that are not just for fun. They are genuine, proven opportunities to start a side hustle or build a business from scratch. The world is changing fast, and those who learn to leverage these tools will be the ones who get ahead. It's time to stop thinking about AI as a futuristic concept and start using it as a financial tool. The question isn't whether AI can make you money, it's what are you going to build with it? Don't let these opportunities pass you by. Take action today, explore these tools, and begin your journey to a new income stream.